friends! Can you spell your favorite foods correctly? Today we're learning 10 delicious words.
10 words? That sounds yummy but tricky. Can we do it?
Of course! We'll spell them slowly, have fun, and I'll give you little tricks to remember each one. Our 10 words today are banana, mango, pizza, orange, carrot, apple, pancake, strawberry, grapes, and burger.
Yay! I'm ready. Let's start with the first one.
First word, banana. Spell it with me. B-A-N-A-N-A.
3 A's and 2 N's. Sing it like banana to remember each letter.
Yes. Try singing it and pointing to each letter. Next word, mango. Spell it with me. M-A-N-G-O.
Mango has one A and ends with O. Imagine holding a bright, juicy mango as you spell it.
Yes. Picture taking a big bite with each letter. M-A-N-G-O. Delicious. Now, pizza. P-I-Z-Z-A.
Double Z. Picture the cheesy zigzag toppings to help you remember.
Exactly. And saying it slowly helps. P-I-Z-Z-A. Imagine each slice is a letter. Next word, orange. O-R-A-N-G-E.
Imagine peeling the orange. Each segment is a letter. O-R-A-N-G-E. Juicy.
Yum! Picture tasting the sweet orange while spelling. Next word, carrot. C-A-R-R-O-T.
Double R in the middle. Imagine pulling a carrot out of the garden as you spell it.
Perfect! That makes it easy to remember. Next word, apple. A-P-P-L-E.
Imagine holding a crunchy apple in your hand. Each letter is a bite. A-P-P-L-E. Yummy.
Yum! Picture taking a big bite while spelling each letter. Next word, pancake. P-A-N-C-A-K-E.
Imagine pouring syrup on each letter of the pancake. P-A-N-C-A-K-E. Sweet and sticky.
Yum! Picture flipping the pancakes as you spell each letter. Next word, strawberry. S-T-R-A-W-B-E-R-R-Y.
Imagine holding a big, juicy strawberry and spelling each letter as you take a pretend bite. S-T-R-A-W-B-E-R-R-Y. B-E-R-R-Y. Sweet and yummy.
Yum! Picture enjoying the strawberry while spelling each letter carefully. Next word, grapes. G-R-A-P-E-S.
Imagine a bunch of sweet, juicy grapes in your hand. Spell each letter as if you're picking one grape at a time. G-R-A-P-E-S. Delicious.
Yum! Picture popping each grape in your mouth as you say the letters slowly.
Remember, grapes come in bunches, just like the letters are all together in this word.
Next word, burger. B-U-R-G-E-R.
Imagine each ingredient is a letter of your yummy burger. B-U-R-G-E-R. Delicious.
Wow! We've spelled all 10 food words together.
But wait, do you still remember them?
Let's find out. It's quiz time.
Yes, I love quizzes. Don't worry, it's just for fun.
Here's the challenge. We'll show you a food word with missing letters.
Your job is to shout out the letters to complete the word.
Ready? Here we go. Can you shout out the missing letters? Pause and try them now.
Great. Check your answers. Keep practicing, friends.
Can you shout out the missing letters? Pause and try them now.
Great. Check your answers. Keep practicing, friends.
Let's spell all 10 words together. Banana, mango, pizza, orange, carrot, apple, pancake, strawberry, grapes, burger.
Fantastic! You're becoming a super speller. Keep practicing and you'll remember them forever.